In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kick or remove someone from a Slack channel. Removing a member from a Slack channel is a simple but important admin task. You might need to do this when a project team changes, when someone moves to a different department, or when you're cleaning up a channel and keeping access limited to the right people. Before you begin, there are two important things to know. First, you need the proper permissions. In most workspaces, that means you must be the channel creator, a workspace admin, or a workspace owner. In some cases, standard members may also be allowed to remove people if an admin has enabled that setting. Second, you cannot remove someone from the default general channel, or whichever channel is set as the workspace-wide default. Let's start with the most common method, which is using Slack's graphical interface. Open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the left-hand sidebar and select the channel you want to manage. After the channel opens, look toward the top right corner of the channel header and click the member list icon. This usually appears as a cluster of profile avatars with a number next to it. If you don't see that easily, so there's another way to get to the same place. Click the channel name in the header area, then open the Members tab in the Details panel. Now that the member list is open, use the search bar to find the person you want to remove. Type in their name so Slack can filter the list for you. Once you locate the right person, move your mouse over their name. You should see a remove option, or in some versions, remove from channel. Click that option. Slack will then show a confirmation message asking whether you're sure you want to remove that person from the selected channel. This extra check helps prevent accidental removal, especially in busy team spaces. To finish, click the red remove button to confirm. If you prefer something faster, Slack also gives you a quick command-based option. Open the channel, click into the message box, and type the remove/command followed by the teammate's Slack handle. This is the fastest method if you already know exactly who you want to remove and want to avoid opening the member list, and that's it. As long as you have the required permissions and you're not working inside the default general channel, removing someone from a Slack channel only takes a few seconds.